If quick share is not working on your Motorola Moto G56, then in that case we can go to settings. Over here in the settings, go to connected devices, open connection preferences, and over here open quick share. The first thing that you need to check is the device name, make sure that your name is recognizable. Besides that, you can also go to who can share with you, make sure that your device is visible over here. And last but not least, you might want to switch from, for example, contacts to everyone. Now this depends, of course, if the other device or the other person is saved on your Google account as your contact, because if not, then of course your quick share will most likely not work. So you can switch to everyone. You can of course switch to everyone for 10 minutes. You can also uncheck this box in order to stay visible to everyone until you manually switch back to either contacts or your devices. And if you set it up like this, you should be able to be detected on other devices. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.